Hello everyone, it's Shannon with Shannon's Crafty DIYs. Welcome to my channel. Today I am in a fun collaboration called Save Our Earth Collab. It is hosted by Purple Pixie and co-hosted by Danielita AF. I will mention them a little bit later in the video. This, I just have one DIY. This is a trash to treasure. I've had this bowl in my stash for quite some time. I'm talking about 10 years. I feel like I got this from a staff party. It was like a Christmas party and we got little gift baskets from the bath or the body shop, I should say. So I have used it as home decor in the past, but when we moved into our house, it just didn't really match my decor. So now I'm just going to upcycle a little bit to match our decor now. So you see me waving to the paint. That was the Deco Art acrylic paint from Dollarama. I was stretching that out so much over the last 3 months because Ontario was in lockdown and we couldn't buy any more paint, and that was all the white paint I had. So it was a love-hate goodbye, but now I'm using the Dollar Tree acrylic paint. You guys are right, it is a little bit thinner, but you just add a couple more coats. So you see me here, I'm painting the outside and the inside of the bowl, and I did give it 2 coats of paint. I still wanted the dark part of the bowl to show through just to make it look rustic and weathered. So I had this bamboo, it was a mortar and pestle, is that what it is called, to mush up your herbs. So I got this from the Dollarama like a couple years ago because I used the pestle to make a handle on one of my tier trays I made. So I've had this bowl forever, so I'm like, why not just use it as a base? So everything I have in this video is all stuff that I've had on hand for years. So what I'm gonna do is I just hot glued it to the base of the bowl. Now you could also use E6000, which I might do in the future if I want to give it to a friend or something. So you see me here, I was using the jute twine to go around, and then I was like, wait a second, remember I have a Lazy Susan. So I put the bowl on the Lazy Susan, and look at this, so much easier to turn. So I'm just showing you here, so even if you have excess nautical rope, just make sure you remember where you started, because you want to make sure that all the seams are going to be at the back of your display. So I'm cutting off the excess, and then this way I can start another strand of the nautical rope. So before I show you the last step, since it's a short video, I just want to make sure you guys head over to the host, Purple Pixie, and co-host, my girl, Danielita AF, and I will leave their channels in the description box below. So please go over and say hello, and also I'll leave the link to the playlist in the description box as well. So this final step, I'm just taking my lighter and I'm just going to burn off the excess fibers on the jute twine. So guys, this is it. Who would have thought these 2 items put together would make this beautiful tray? And I've had these items on hand for years. I love this turnout. It matches my decor way better now. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give it a big thumbs up if you liked what you see, and I hope you guys have a fabulous day. We'll see you guys at the next video. Bye!